How are you friends? This is Arif from Arif Education TV welcoming you to another great episode of Learning English. Dear friends, today we are going to learn how we can use LY or double LY at the end of an adjective. We all know that adverbs end with LY or double LY, but many students, especially students coming from non-native English-speaking countries, have a lot of troubles figuring out where you have to add LY or double LY to the end of the word. Before I start discussing on the topic today, I just want to give a quick announcement on my recently published book on Amazon.com. I just want to let you know, guys, if you live in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, the USA or America, England, Italy, Belgium, France, Germany, Spain, Switzerland, Mexico, Brazil, India or Japan, by following the instructions given under this screen, you can easily buy one of my most popular books published online called Step by Step English Conversation Practice, Common, Closed and WH Questions. I'm glad to let you know that a lot of enthusiastic or very interested viewers come learners have collected this book on Amazon. Let's say you are in India. What you have to do, you have to type amazon.in. If you live in the UK, you type amazon.co.uk. If you are in Australia, you simply type amazon.com.au and follow the instructions. I have included all the marketplaces or the websites of your countries to use the sites and log in and purchase. Just wish to let you know, guys, before you purchase, please make sure you download the Kindle app. The book is published on Amazon. You must have Kindle app installed onto your device. It could be your computer, mobile phone or tablet. After you have downloaded this app, if you buy the book, this book will be delivered to your app and you can open and read it. It happens straight away. So you need probably 6 to 8 minutes to get everything done. Okay, thank you. Let's now go into the discussion, dear friends. I have written here adverbs ending with ly versus LLY. What does it mean? We often use a lot of words ending with ly or LLY, and they are generally called adverbs. Okay, like generally, usually, seriously, properly, regularly, etc., etc. Now, what I have noticed, even in the classroom in Australia, that many students actually ask me how to distinguish, how to make the difference between words ending with only ly versus LLY. Then I made some research and found that it's not actually very difficult. It's very simple. Actually, adverbs are made from actually adjectives. Okay, so if we know which ones the adjectives are, then we can easily know how to make the adverbs. I have written here on the left hand column that regular, correct, wrong, proper, common, honest, definite, fluent. In fact, we are familiar with all these words. They are very easy. So we know the regular. Okay, we can say that he is regular in the class. Your answer is correct. His answer is wrong, etc., etc. Now we can see that each of the words here ends with different letters like R, T, G, N, E, etc., etc. But we can't see any L here. Now, as soon as we need to write from regular to regularly, we say the full word regular, then we say ly. So simply we add here ly. We get what? Regular, ly. We say correct. From there we say correctly. What we have to do? Correct, then ly. That's it. We say wrong. Wrongly, we add ly. So we can see the end of any word we can use ly. Now the question is where we have to use LLY. This is the question. Guys, please listen very carefully here. On the right hand column, okay, we are going to see some difference. I have written down here general, usual, serial, actual, final, manual, total. Full I have written in a different color. I'm going to tell you in a moment why I have done that. So when we see general, we can see general, this word ends with L. Usual, L. Serial, L. In fact, all the words written on this side end with L. So when a word ends with L, when we make that word an adverb, what we have to do? We have to add another L to the end of that word. Meaning that is general, we make it generally. So what we have to say? ly. That means we are adding another L here. Usual, we say usually. So usual, we say then, we say usually. Serial, okay, then what we say? Serially, ly. Now the question is, do we actually add double L? No, we actually never add double L. We simply add one L. Actually, one of the L's is already there. We are adding another L. So that means the difference between these two types of things here is the word that ends with L. To make that word adverb, we add another L, then Y, which looks double ly. In fact, it is. On the other hand, the word that doesn't end with L, we simply add one L to it and Y. That's it. Like regular doesn't end with L, so we say only ly. General ends with L, so we say double LY. Correct ends with T, no L here, so we make it LY. Usual ends with L, so we make it double LY by adding another L at the end. Similarly, proper, properly, final, finally, actual, actually. I have said in this conversation, in this lecture many times, actually. So you say double LY. Then common, how do you say, friends? You tell me. Commonly, okay? Manual, manually. Honest, honestly. Total, totally. Definite, definitely. Okay? Fluent, fluently. Simply one L with each of them here on this side. And here also one L, but when we say, you say actually double L. When you write double L. Now with full, this full F-U-double-L, that's an adjective. Just want to let you know all the words originally regular, correct, up to fluent, then general to full. Each of them is actually an adjective. Some of them also play different roles like verbs or nouns, etc. But here we are treating them as adjectives. Now when we say full, this is also an adjective. We are changing it to adverb. Now this full exceptionally ends with, we can see, double L. So are we going to add another L to make, triple, okay? 3 L's? No. So we simply add what? Just Y here, fully, because we find double L here. So we don't need any more L here, okay, at the end. So you have to remember it. So any word that ends with double L, and that's an adjective, and you have to change it to adverb, you don't need, or you will not use another L to make it adverb. You simply add Y to the end of it. Okay, friends, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So dear friends, I hope you like this video, and you have liked it. Please do not forget to press your thumb up in the like button and share it with all your friends on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, via email or any other social network. If you wish to clarify anything or ask me anything, you are more than welcome to write as many comments as you like under the screen. If you are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe this channel and also press the ringtone next to the subscribe button so you can continue to receive the future updates. Once again, if you're really interested in collecting a copy of my book online, please do not forget to follow the instructions given under this screen. I have given very clear instructions. Please make sure the app is downloaded, because I am also including the link for the app. So you can download it first, then follow your respective websites to purchase on Amazon. I hope you enjoy reading this book. I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Thank you very much and have a fantastic day. Ta.